Hello, so today I'm going to do some tutorial how to change background video without green screen and how to panning and zooming. So let's get it. First of all, you should open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer or laptop and then click the file you want to edit. Don't forget to add the background because you want to change it, right? So move the file the video and the background drop here. So okay. Wait, okay, it needs a little time, and then after that drag the video you want to change the background here. Wait, oh, before that you need to cut the video. Okay, cut the video from where you want to start to finish. I'm gonna choose this. Okay, and then I want the video to start from here and end here and here. Okay, so after you decide the video where to start and where to finish, you drag the video to this sequence. Okay, and you want the video to be top and drag the background on the bottom, and then for the duration you want the background to be long as the video, like this. So this is the background and this is the video with the music. And after that you click this button right here and you search for effects, and then you want to find ultra key. On keying, video effects, keying, and then drag this ultra key to the video you want to change the background, like this. Okay, and after that click the video right here and you want to edit the video. So you go to effect controls right here and you find this sequence, right? You want to find key color right here. Oh, before that, make sure the background you want to change is one color, so like this. Okay, right? Wait a minute. and then you want to size the background you want to zoom in the background, right? So go to this side, effect control, after you click the background, and you want to change the scale like this. Okay, you can see that the color is changing, right? And then after that, go back to the video, and you want to we did change the key color, right? Now you want to click here, make generation, and you just try and error. You experiment in this sequence. The transparency, so if 0, the background didn't come out, and you want to raise it like this, right? I think it's enough as the 74. And the highlight, I'll make it around 0, and the shadow, so we just basically experiment what's best for your video here. And the tolerance right here, I'll make it 0, and then I'll make it 100. So we already experiment on this, and I think this still, we need to fix these things, right? So you want to go to crop, find it, crop here like this, and then drag this to the video you want to crop. After that, we will find this section, and you want to crop this part. So we go to top, and then we adjust the percentage. I think this is about enough. Okay, 19. Pretty much that's it. That's how you change the background without green screen with Ultra key. But I have some notes you might want to hear. You need one solid color that contrasts with you to change the background. And then the second part, now we are going to play this. See if this okay. It's a bit long, so but it's okay, right? Okay, so we want to do some zooming here, right? When the video played. So you want to search this one. Make sure you click the video, and the cursor starts where you want. I'm going to start from 0, and then you just play experiment in this side. You want to change the position and the scale, just these two. So what this does is it moves the video to left and right. We are going to reset this, and what this does is it makes the video go ups and down. We are going to reset this, and this one is the zooming part, right? Like that. Okay, so you can click this one and this button will appear, and you click this and this button will appear. So you're going to do this to the whole video. Like, for example, for this part, I want to zoom in. So I'm going to bigger the scale, right? Like this. And this button appear. Also, if you it's best if this button appears, you better click this one. If you don't want to change anything, you click this one and this button will appear. Okay, and you do it for the whole video, like where you want to zoom when you want to zoom out, or when you want to move to the left or right, like this. For example, I'm going to zoom out in this part, so I'll smaller the scale and this button appear, and then click this if you don't want to change anything. So if you do it for the whole video, it will come out great. I think that's how I do for my Aizen dance video. Before I'm sorry if my English is not really fluent. Thank you for watching, and I hope you could understand what I'm trying to tell you. So I'm going to show how the final video. Thank you for watching.
내 눈앞에 펼쳐진 paradise, 더 새로워진 상상으로 태워가. 지금 이 순간이 영원하기를 바라. 너를 위한 춤을 춰 우아하게.